Pawan Kalyan all movies budget and collections. Khushi budget 7 crores, collection 27 crores, industry hit. Jalsa budget 22 crores, collection 30 crores, hit. Gabbar Singh budget 35 crores, collection 150 crores, blockbuster. Attarintik Daredi budget 55 crores, collection 187 crores, industry hit. Agnatavasi budget 100 crores, collection 95 crores, disaster. Vakil Sab budget 80 crores, collection 137 crores, hit. Bhimla Naik budget 90 crores, collection 192 crores, super hit. Bro budget 110 crores, collection 115 crores, average. Harihara Veeramallu budget 200 crores, collections 150 crores, disaster. They call him OG, budget 250 crores, collections 300 crores, hit.